What up, YouTube? It's your boy Fat Juice. It's your boy Juice. Back at it with another reaction season, college football. Oh my goodness, Louisville and Miami. Miami and Louisville. Couple little fun facts before I get into the clip. Louisville is 5-12 all-time wins. So that means I think this like their 17th or 18th game. Yeah, this is a 17th matchup meeting. You know what I'm saying? So Louisville is 5-12, obviously after I think Friday's matchup. And this series only been tied one time, and that shit go back to like 1950. And the first matchup was in 1933. That's crazy. This matchup is older than my granny. This matchup older than my great granddaddy. Fuck. But you know what I'm saying? I don't know what happened. I just went to bed and I woke up and all I heard was da 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 da. So let's play the clip. I'm done talking. Let's play the clip. 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 And Miami at home in South Florida. Louisville is unranked. These the unranked Cardinals going against the number 2 team in the nation. Wow. They brought them boys out. They got Ray Lewis out there, Michael Irvin, Devin Hester. Oh, they brought them boys out. This must be homecoming. I thought Miami had a nasty-ass defense. Louisville in the shotgun. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow. Did they get him out the portal? Somebody drop a comment, let me know something. Shit. NILs. And we all know Louisville been had a name before the NIL. But NIL is really changing the trajectory landscape of college football. Fuck. Oh, look at that vision by number 1. Prolific. Jeez Louise. The fake? Damn, that's a big body Benz in that motherfucker. Hold on. The game just started. Hey, field goal fakes? Man, what the fuck? Fake the field goal and shit is crazy. That's diabolical. Wow. It's crazy. Let me set my eyes now. That's crazy. Nobody practiced that shit? They got some Taco Bell off that one. Am I tweaking? Oh, they ran a 4th and 2? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. It was 4th and 2. And they got the first down. Now it was first. I'm sorry. Maybe I was confused, and I really was. That's crazy. A fake field goal on 4th and 2? What'd it do? This is corn right here. Big boy. The booty push. Push the butt. Push the butt. Okay, Miami come out. Top, of course. Oh yeah, and it's only been an average of 22 points scored in this matchup throughout the whole course of a matchup. And I think this was 18th matchup, 17th matchup, something like that. His name Moss? He ain't got no connection to Randy? Oh, he finna tote this bitch. What? The quarterback ran up in that thing fearless? Wow. That's a good offensive game plan right here. That was a good offensive game plan, man. Chicken, brother. That's a good fucking offensive game plan. Whoever drew this shit up, They did a very good job. This is good execution. That's what it looked like. It looked like Louisville was just out here executing. Well, I don't know. The shit not over with, but Louisville looked like they was executing the fuck out that shit. Miami got to get it going now. See? That boy got a nice, pretty touch on that motherfucker. Oh my goodness. Damn. And he like 17. Bro, like 18 or some shit. That's crazy. Wow. Wow. Hey, now that's great separation as a receiver. Okay. I feel that. Come on, man. They out here banging? Jeez. Bro out here banging. Okay. First and 10. Let's get it in. Oh my goodness. It's a pass interference. Hold on. Where the flag at? Hold on now. See me clean. This not pass interference? See me clean, coach. Hold on. They want me to be ESPN. Come, look at this. That's pass interference all day. Where's the flag? Corn, man. They straight fucking the boys. No dick. Crazy. That's diabolical. Where's the flag, though? It's not a flag for on 21? All right. Maybe I could be wrong. Maybe I don't know the fundamentals of football. Sip on my tea. Oh, he shot that bitch. Fire. He shot out like a bat out of hell. Oh, wait. Wow. What kind of clip was that? They gave us a clip in the middle of the play. Who chopped the video up? I thought Jamar chased that man. Hell no. Wow. Look at that technique. Oh, he did not fall. Look like he kind of underthrew that motherfucker. Supposed to lead him out a little bit more. Right?
Last year, 12 picks and a bunch of turnovers here in the last. And they're going to go
12 picks last year. It's crazy.
And Miami not fooled. Isaac Brown taking the direct snap and losing a couple yards.
Isaac Brown. Set his ass down. Alright, Cards. 3rd and 17. Oh, man. Sandwich. Peanut butter and jelly. Smush it all together. He only hit one guy. That's the guy.
Hey, my treat today. I don't think they'll take that here. Of course they take Discover. You're stuck in them.
Alright, shut off my screen.
Spot foul, so 2nd and 10.
Come on. Go. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yo. Taco Bell. Give him some shells. Taco Bell. Fuck. Hit his ass with that. Ooh wee. Miami lost this one. That's crazy. I can't believe Miami lost this one after that play. Fuck. You not Lamar Jackson.
Together, three of them. A couple of plays were all out there together. Miami now trying a short field goal, 27 yards from Carter Davis, and so it's 14-10. Louisville. And a lot of quick games.
Okay, it's 14-10. Let's see. See me clean, coach.
Action on first down and a strike to midfield. It's
RPOs. Told him you was a.
one of those grabs a touchdown.
Told him you was a hoe. Hold on.
Moss behind the receiver, but Collins
Excuse
makes
me.
the catch. Another first down for Louisville at the Miami 37-yard line. In the first
Shut.
quarter, the holder Chapeau was the one that ran it down to the 1-yard line.
4th and 3. Let me see. A 48 attempt.
The kick has the leg, and it's
Ooh. Ooh.
defense from Louisville.
Ooh.
On second and long, backing up. His pass holding for first
Back, Dak.
by Keelan.
Back, hit the Dak. Back, then hit the Dak.
Teammate after the hit. There are 3 minutes to go here in the third. Miami down 7, trailed 14-0.
14 to
In the
nothing.
first quarter, Fletcher up the gut. Pushing the pile.
Damn, I thought that was 2nd and 2 the way they got that bitch rolling. Damn.
And they finally blow it dead. Carter Davis hit from 27 in the first half. This will be a
This is
41
crazy
yard
right
attempt.
here. 17 to 10
To 4.
in the third quarter. Late in the third, too. Wow. 17 to 13. Louisville came out with a great fucking game plan. It looked like Miami looked like they just throw it. Ooh, he hit that mug. Chicken, brother. That's chicken right there. Gave it to him again. No way. They gave it to him again. Now they got another running back up in there. What? What? No way. No way. No way.
He needs some milk.
There's no way. Hey, replay that. Play that shit back. Play this shit back. Man, he put that bitch up in there. This boy draft stock going up. Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow. Damn. Man, Louisville said they got some film to put out. Fuck this. They trying to get to the league.
He needs some milk.
He like 5'2". He heard Taco Bell and people. Damn, this is a good ass game. Hold on. Oh my goodness, what is he doing? What is this guy doing? Carson back? What the heck? How much they paying him in NILs? I can't tell. How much they paying him in NILs? How much they paying this guy? How much is Carson? What?
There actually was not a flag. The officials were talking about it, and then they just made the call about dropping the flag. The penalty on Cleb Lubin.
You $4 million? They said it's NIL. Man, hold on, man. $4 million? Let's see. $4 million? They said the NIL deal worth $4 million. That's what Google said, according to AI. That ain't no chicken. That ain't no chicken right there. I don't know what you call this. Might be a Jet 2 holiday. I'm sorry, Miami. Carson Beck sold the fuck out of Miami. Carson Beck sold Miami. Carson Beck said, oh Damn.
They'll grin ear to ear.
About that time, ain't it?
Guess who has
Happy
all the
holidays,
fun
man.
toys?
It is about that time.
The answer is simple.
Me, man. Happy
It's
holidays,
Walmart. Who
man.
knew?
It is about that time. Ooh, whoa, whoa. He must have been told that mother like a loaf of bread. Ooh, wee, hold on now. Fourth quarter. Fourth quarter. Fourth quarter. Somebody give me some water. Fourth quarter. Somebody give me some water. That's crazy. Okay, 87. Damn. Number 9. Yeah, he set the fuck out that edge. Somebody got a drug test office coordinator. Fuck no. What? Okay, Carson Beck. That's why they paid you $4 million. Let's see. Let's see.
Quiet, quiet, quiet.
Okay. $4 million. $4 million. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Get out of bounds. Okay. Yeah, work the sidelines. 36 seconds left. $4 million to get user alert and hurt in the fourth quarter? Oh, okay. Let's see. They said they tipped it. They pay them defensive guys too now. JoJo, you know what's up. JoJo, KC, JoJo, let me hear you say yeah. Oh man, Miami, man. Shout out Miami though. You know what I'm saying? I don't think one loss will probably define their season. But then again, who knows? It's really late in the season. Well, it's not late in the season, but it's like in the middle of the season. So I don't know if this loss is really going to like hurt them from like getting a national championship title. But I mean, hey, Louisville looked like they just had a way better game plan, way better execution than Miami from the jump. Like Louisville came out there really determined, locked in. They went down to South Beach ready to go. That's just what it looked like. Drop a comment, let me know something. Am I tripping? Did I miss something? Am I, you know what I'm saying? Drop a comment, let me know something. If you made it this far, you might as well drop a sub too. I appreciate everybody. I'm talking about everybody. Whether if you watching, ain't saying nothing, you saying something, I appreciate you. No fake. I appreciate however way it go because without y'all letting me know what's going on, how can I ever improve? So thank y'all. Fat Juice checking out. Appreciate y'all. Thank you.